Okay, example number 3. First, meron daw tayong airplane. So, yung airplane, anak, ay guys, 26 kilometers south. O, where's the direction? Kapag south, pababa. Very good. Your airplane, pababa. And then, ito daw ay 26 kilometers. And then, turns east. Saan ang east? Papunta sa kanan. Okay. East toward the airport. Kasi dyan dito daw po yung airport. And then, the direct distance from the starting point, sa nag-start ang airplane? Sa taas. Papunta daw sa airport, ang sukat ay 30 kilometers. So, ito na yung given natin ngayon. So, the question is, how far east? Ito po yung nawawala. East did the airplane travel? So, meaning, letter, very good, letter A ang missing. Kasi meron tayong hypotenuse, meron tayong leg, and then another leg yung nawawala. Now, what is the formula to find A? Square root of C squared minus. Okay, substitute lang natin. What is A? Missing. What is B? Measurement. 26. Okay, pwedeng hindi na isulat si units kasi sa final, kung-kopyahin lang natin yung units na yan. Number na lang tayo, ha? And then what is C? Okay, so we have 30. Then substitute na po natin. A is equal to the square root of, what is C again? 30, then square. Minus, what is B? 26 squared. Simplify first the exponent, ha? Multiply 30 by itself twice. That is 900. Okay, minus 26 times 26.
676.
Okay, then after that, to simplify, subtract. 900 minus 676. 224. Now, get the square root of 224. Okay. Do you think 224 is a perfect square? Okay, kaya po tayo anak gumagamit na ngayon ng calculator to find the exact answer. Okay, no sa volume, di ba, ina-allowed ko kapag hindi perfect squared, ito na yung sagot natin. So this time, sa Pythagorean theorem, gagamit na po tayo ng scientific calculator to find the exact measurement. And what is the exact measurement of square root of 224?
14.97.
Okay, 14.97. Round off your answer to the nearest hundreds. 2 decimal numbers po. Okay, thus we can say that the square root of 224 is 14.97. We can say that, everyone?
Airplane flew about 14.97
Kilometers more.